Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to remove background sound in CapCut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to click on the video. You want to scroll the lower part of your screen until you see the extract audio option. So just go ahead and click on that and click on the extracted audio. You want to scroll again and until you see the reduce noise option. So just go ahead and toggle that switch
Think.
on and that should
I guess that's it.
remove the
Do
background
you guys think
sound
men think?
in CapCut. Okay, so now that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.